Hey everybody, it's Mr. Christensen. I'm sure you didn't notice that, and I am going to make this video on the number system, specifically the real number system versus the real one. You know. Um, anyway, so let me get off this screen because that looks ridiculous. So let's take a look at that. First of all, the real number system is set up in layers, basically. It's a layered system. And it's kind of like if we were to take layers of an onion and peel them back, okay? So on the very inside, we would find natural numbers. Those are like 1, 2, 3, and so on, etc. Okay. Then if we go out one layer, there, we're going to find whole numbers. And those are numbers like the same as natural, except they include 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, whoops, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Then we have the next layer out is integers. Okay, integers. And integers are the whole numbers and their opposites. So we have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Then the outer layer is rational numbers. And rational numbers include decimals that repeat or decimals that terminate, that in other words they end. So repeating decimals like 0.2323, and then you put a line over the things that repeat. Also, decimals that terminate, 0.5. Also, an assortment of fractions, 3/7. Okay. Also, whole numbers, right? And so rational numbers, however, also include everything else that's inside this outer layer of the onion. So rational numbers also are integers. I'm sorry. Let's go back. Integers are rational. Whole numbers are integers and are rational. Okay. Natural numbers are whole numbers. They are integers and they are rational. So, to put it another way, natural to integers or whole numbers. I hate it when I make a mistake and whole numbers. Okay. Then integers. Then rational. So natural goes to whole, and that goes to integers, that goes to natural. or to rational, everything moving. So natural is part of whole. Those are part of integers. Those are part of rational numbers. So if somebody asked you, what is, well, before I say that, let's look at how we denote these. All right, so natural is with an N. Whole numbers is with a W. Integers is with a Z. Makes perfect sense, right? Rational numbers make even more sense because that's with a Q. Okay, so if I said, what categories, name all the categories that -2 fits into, right? You would say integers, right? Z and Q. Z and Q. Integers and rational. Excuse me. There's one other part of the real number system that is not in the onion. So we'll just say it's the garlic. Okay. So we got the onion over here. We have a clove of garlic over here. And that's the irrational numbers. And those include pi, square root of 3, square root of 7, and any decimal that does not repeat and does not end. Okay, etc. So, any square root that is not a perfect square, okay, that's important. So, the square root of 4, all right, so if I said, where does the square root of 4 fall? Well, what is the square root of 4? It's 2, right? 2 is natural, it's whole, it's an integer, and it's rational, right? So if I was to say that, natural, whole, integer, and rational, okay? And if I said square root of 21, okay, well, that's not a perfect square number, so it's irrational. So there's the real number system. I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, check in with me. And again, don't forget, on Friday, I am available on Google Meet from 12 to 1 approximately, from 2 to 3, okay? And that's for my Math 013 buddies. All right. Talk at you later.